Hey everybody, this is Dr. Kyle with Ice Clinics bringing you your next tip for Tuesday. Back by popular demand, since our last tip for Tuesday, we covered the origins of chronic inflammation and we used a whiteboard. We're gonna do that again based on request. So I'm asking for everybody that's watching this video right now, is I want to ask you, do you know what the number one risk factor is for all breast cancers, for all ages, and regardless of genetic predisposal? So here's my question. Do you know what that number one risk factor is? I think most people don't know. It's not a vitamin deficiency. It's not even a lifestyle. It's all related to a special hormone that is called melatonin. So melatonin is something that we make that makes us sleep. It kind of deals with our sleep patterns. And the way that we produce the most amount of melatonin, if you listen to a lot of the sleep experts out there, is we have to make sure that we have an absolute pitch dark environment when we sleep. So if you think about it this way, a lot of our ancestors, how they slept, we want to make our environment where we sleep much like what they had, which was caves, which was in dark, cold, maybe even damp areas. That tends to put us in our deepest pattern of sleep, and that is where we get our best feedback as far as melatonin production is concerned. So when we have lots of patients that are watching TV that they're falling asleep to, they're looking at their phones right before they go to sleep. They keep on ambient night lights that are off to the side, or even just keep lights on in general. All that stuff diminishes your ability to produce melatonin. So it downregulates your melatonin. And again, boils back to this number one risk factor. So if you're someone that has a lot of trouble sleeping, one of the best things you can do, I encourage people to do, is take a hot bath right before you go to bed. Wind your mind down as you get ready to lie down, and then just turn off all the lights. Try and make it as quiet as possible, and even turn that temperature down in your bedroom a little bit. And again, that will help you with a better sleep cycle, better sleep regulation, and it'll start to ramp up that melatonin so you're that much more able to combat the chances of breast cancer, again, regardless of your age or your other risk factors. So I know that can hit home for a lot of you guys out there, and we actually had a patient today that specially requested us cover this. But if you can share this information out there, get better sleep, get better melatonin, your immune system will function that much better. Again, my name is Dr. Kyle with Ice Clinics. Thanks for watching.